In this video, I'll show you how to add a file embed on your Shopify website. And this is just a quick example of a file embed I've created, but this could be useful for stuff like presentations, PDF files, product manuals, restaurant menus, and more. And best of all, it's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. And as I said, this is just a quick example of what it could look like, but here are a couple more examples of what you could also add on to your Shopify website. We have stuff like a PDF file, Word document, Excel table, PowerPoint presentation, and then you can also go ahead and add stuff like product manuals, restaurant menu, download bars like this, and then you can also add bookshelf or magazine archive, for example. So you have lots of different options to choose from when you customize your file embed. Now, to get started, make sure to click that link down in the description, which is going to bring you to this website, or you can just go ahead and write elfsight.com in the search bar. From here, hover over widgets, and then go ahead and hover over tools, and right down here we have the file embed right here. Click there. Now go ahead and click on this big pink button right here, which is going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our file embed widget. And as you can see on the left hand side here, we have a lot of different options to choose from. For example, PDF file, Word document, Excel table, PowerPoint presentation, and more. So just go ahead and choose a suitable option for your website. In my case, I'm going to go ahead with the PDF file option here and click continue with this template down here. That's going to bring you to this page, and from here you can go ahead and add something like a widget title if you'd like. That's going to be displayed above the widget. And then you can also go ahead and add your file by clicking on the blue add file option right here. From here, just go ahead and click upload files or add file by link if you have a link for it. Most people would probably choose upload files and upload it directly from the computer. And once you've done that, it should be displayed just like this. I'm just going to keep the sample file because this is just a demo, but just go ahead and upload your file and then you should see the preview of it here. And if you want to delete the sample file, just go ahead and click on these three small dots and click on delete. Next up, you can go ahead and click on layout on the left hand side. From here, you can choose what kind of layout that you'd like for your file embed. Right now it has the file viewer open, but you can choose something like a grid or a list. So if you have multiple documents, for example, you can go ahead and choose a list or a grid. But if you just have one document, I would suggest doing the file viewer. You can also go ahead and display the file icon. Right now it's a PDF file icon, but you can go ahead and toggle it off if you want a cleaner look like this. And if you have something like the grid and list option, you can go ahead and choose a preview image if you'd like. And then you also have some download settings and the width and the height of the embed. And lastly, we also have the appearance tab on the left hand side here. From here, you can go ahead and change colors of some different elements within the widget. And you can also go ahead and change things about the font. You can, for example, go ahead and bold the name or increase it or decrease it in size, and the same for the download button. Anyways, once you're ready to add this to your Shopify website, go ahead and click on Add to Website for free. From here, your screen will open up on a new page where you'll need to either log in or sign up to Elfsight if you don't already have an account. And once you've done that, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. And this is basically the exact same design. So if you're done customizing it, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up in the top right corner and click on the big green Publish button. That brings you to this page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the left hand side right here by clicking the gray select button. And once you've done that, it should bring you to this page here. Simply go ahead and click on copy code. And now it's time to head back to our Shopify store. Once you're in Shopify, go ahead and select the page where you want to add your file embed to. You can do it by clicking up here and then selecting your page. I'm just going to do it on the home page for this demo because it's not a real website. But from here, go ahead and select where you want to add it. I'm going to add it on the mid page beneath the products here, which will be right under this featured collection. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Add Section here on the left hand side. Scroll down until you see Layout, and then go ahead and click on Custom Liquid right underneath. That's going to bring up this sidebar on the right hand side. As you can see right here, we have the liquid code. And right down in this field here, we need to insert the code we just copied from Elfsight. You can do that by clicking Ctrl-V on your keyboard or right-clicking and clicking Paste. And as you can see, when we scroll down, we now have a file embed on our Shopify website. Obviously, I didn't upload a PDF file for this sample because it's just a demo. I also just wanted to do a proper integration of this widget. So as you can see, here is a different example of a file embed on our Shopify website. Anyways, guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.